Welcome. This is the second report of the coming storm. On my way here, the clouds just got much darker. Look at that. On my way here also, we heard several reports coming from Richmond. About possible landslides and evacuations. See, right back there is where it's darkest. I would attempt to get higher, but don't want the city coming down on us. Look at that. So again, it's, oh, see, there's sirens already. We saw several parked emergency vehicles, just kind of like they're waiting to be called, and that was probably one of them. I'm trying to get my bearings and figure out which direction this is coming from. All through over there. Really dark. And it's kind of, the wind's died down. It's very calm right now. And kind of humid. Or muggy, I guess is the word for it. I'll see if maybe I can get higher over here. There we go. Zoom in a bit. See, look at that. Wind's starting to pick up now. Yep. Pressure just dropped. Okay. We're gonna step back into our automobile. Wow. I'll try to get footage of the storm. Thanks again. Stay healthy, always be kind.